We're gonna make my grandfather's corn pudding. We have 3 boxes of corn muffin mix, 3 cans of cream corn, 16 ounces of sour cream, and 4 eggs. So Liz, if you could just start whisking those up.
Yep.
This is what we call a dump and stir. As you're doing that, I'm gonna melt 2½ sticks of whole unsalted butter, 8 ounces. This is the only fancy thing in here. It was cream cheese when I was growing up.
Right.
I'm using mascarpone.
Right.
But cream cheese would work just fine,
Well, it's
too.
beautiful because it has just a little bit of sweetness, and so it complements the
Yeah, it's
corn.
Italian cream cheese. So this is just gonna start to melt. And then I'm gonna start getting the corn.
Okay.
How are you doing over there?
I think I have all my ingredients.
Oh, you're very, very efficient. So I'm gonna take
Chopped
your
up.
corn. I'm gonna put your corn in there.
How's my...
It's melting slowly,
Butter.
but we're getting there.
Oh, look at that.
I also have 4 scallion.
Oops.
So you're just melting the butter down with the mascarpone or cream cheese. If you boil it, it's really gonna separate it, and you don't really wanna do that. Ready?
Yep.
No butter left behind.
Yes. I mean, come on.
Yeah, you wanna butter the pan?
I would love to. I live for it.
Room temperature butter.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Look at that whisking
Oh,
job.
yeah.
All that's incorporated so beautifully. Lift.
We also just put a little bit of salt and pepper in here, nothing crazy, just a pinch.
Okay.
Now this cooks at 350 degrees for about an hour, right? In 50 minutes to an hour. What you're looking for is it's gonna set up a little bit more around the outside and get a little bit golden. The inside should have a nice little jiggle to it still. You don't want it to be completely
Almost
firm.
like a cheesecake jiggle?
Yeah, a little cheesecake or a creme brulee jiggle. We have the grill same way we set with the turkey. The heat is in the back. There's no heat in the front. So we're gonna put this in the front, and when we close the lid, it's gonna turn our grill into our little oven. Keep an eye on the temperature back there. Should be around 325 to 375, you're fine.
Okay.
So just monitor it
Like
that
it.
way. Look at that.
The reveal, the big reveal.
Look at it. Liv, you've had it before.
It's so good.
Are you excited?
It's a beauty. It is a beauty.
Here's where things are
Do
gonna
we
get
dare?
challenging.
We're just gonna take a little sneak. No one will ever notice.
Tracy's gonna
I was
notice.
gonna say, my mom
Yeah,
will
she'll
for sure notice.
All right, I'm gonna, where are you doing?
I can cover mine back up. Look at how good I did.
I didn't do it.
Michael's is a little more noticeable.
Oh, yes.
This is my childhood in a pan.
Yeah.
And I love it. It's sweet because of the corn. It has a little bit of tartness because of the sour cream. It's creamy like a custard.
The scallion gives it a really nice layer.
It does.